All right, here we are with another deck. Messages from the Spirits of Nature Oracle by Dr. Stephen D. Farmer. Connect to the spirits of nature. Discover the messages that the spirits in the trees, rivers, stones, and animals long to share. When you work with this oracle, you enter into a collaboration with the spirit of nature on each card, sparking your intuition to receive insights and healing. As you continue to work directly with the nature spirits, you will receive guidance along your life path and feel a greater sense of connectedness to all of creation. Cover design and art is by Scott, Breidenthal, US $22.99 and $29.99 in Canada. My apologies on getting so tongue-tied there. Let me see if I can find the publisher. Hay House Publishing. There it is. Hay House Publishing. And then here is the guidebook. It does come with spread options there. Opening it up to the quartz, crystal quartz, which is focus, card number 8. Gives you the description of that card and then the actual message there on the next page. You want to get into the cards? If I skip one of the words here, I'm just going to go ahead and let you know. It's because I didn't want to butcher it. Tongue-tied or not. You know what I mean? So the first card is air. And the back of that card is the nice leaves. Apple tree, abundance. Card number 2. Butterfly, regeneration. Number 3. Cave, initiation, number 4. Cedar tree is wisdom, number 5. It is voice, it is cicada, those bugs, number 6. I think those only come out once in every blue moon, right? Don't they have like a time frame of when they do show up? Number 7, cloud, imagination. Quartz, crystal quartz, focus, number 8. Love the coloring. Dandelion, healing. Desert, thirst. Diamond, radiance, number 11. Dolphin, listening, number 12. I don't know if you could see the circling there. That's neat. Eagle, vision, number 13. Earth, home, number 14. Fire, intensity, number 15. Forest, diversity, number 16. Honeybee, community, number 17. Hurricane, centered, number 18. Island, detachment, number 19. Jasmine, sensuality, number 20. Lightning, breakthrough, 21. 22, Lotus, resurrection. Moon cycles, 23. Moss, adaptability, 24. Mountain, intention, 25. Oak tree, ancestors, 26. Ocean, waves, 27. Owl, intuition, 28. Rain, renewal, 29. Rainbow, beauty, 30. Rice, nourishment, 31. River, flow, 32. Rose, love, 33. Sage, purification, number 34. Sequoia tree, balance, number 35. Snake, shedding, 36. Stars, navigation, 37. Sun, faith, 38. Tobacco, I know I can say this. Reciprocity, there we go, number 39. Volcano, release, number 40. Water, lifeblood, 41. Waterfall, persistence, 42. Wilderness, untamed, 43. Wind, movement, number 44. And that, my friends, is the end of the deck. We have a blank one here, So I'm sure you can go ahead and throw that into your readings as well and interpret it any kind of way that you want. Maybe I can look in the book and see if they have some kind of description on that, if it's even part of. No, there is no message or description about that blank card. Maybe it's just a filler in order to make the box better. I don't know. But definitely you can probably write your own description on there, put your own picture there, or you can just kind of work it in there as maybe the mystery, the unwritten, what's to come, something like that. With that said, thank you so much for being here. Hope you enjoyed the video. Take care.